What's up, guys? It's your girl Clarion, aka Clay from ClaysCustoms, and if you click that thumbnail, you already know what we about to do. We're making the world's blackest Air Force Ones today. We're using this Musa. I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's the world's blackest paint. I got it from Amazon. I'll drop the link for y'all below. And right here, we got this tool that we use to go ahead and bust them holes open for the rope laces on the side, the lace holes. Yeah, we use this right here to bust them lace holes open. And I know a lot of people they'll use like a drill or something like that, but I don't really use that. I mean, I have before, but it's not really my go-to. I prefer to use this tool right here, and I'll drop that down in the link below too, from Amazon, good old Amazon. That's where I get all my tools from. But yeah, I use that instead of the drill. All right here we got some Liquid Kicks primer. I love that brand, Liquid Kicks. I use them all the time for my finishers, but I heard another customizer suggest that I should use it for my primer, and that's what we're gonna use today for that midsole. Cause if you ever try to paint a midsole, you already know that that's not really no fun. Usually when you put the paint on there, it usually come off, but we're gonna use that primer today. All right, and that right there was my flat white. For this shoe, I wanted to do like shades of purple, so I'm using one thing of purple, and I'm using flat white and flat black. Dang, that's kind of hard to say. And I'm using flat black to basically make the different shades of purple. You know, there's no need to keep buying all them different purple bottles when I could just use one shade of purple and then just create the shades that I want from the purple. And that's really a good tool to do. Make sure that you guys utilize your other paints to make the color that you want. Okay, that's definitely gonna be your friend to do that. So you don't have to keep buying 1,000 paints. Just use that one base and go from there. But all right here we getting into this this Nike check. We want to make it a shade of purple, and I started with light purple first, and then I kind of just worked my way up. So that's just me doing that, showing you guys, how that's done. All right, now I'm back with the Musa, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce that. If y'all know how to pronounce it, shout out to y'all because I don't. But all right, so yeah, I just went around the shoe and painted that all around the shoe. The paint. Okay, so when you're using it, it's going to dry kind of chalky, and I didn't know that at first. This was my first time using it. I wasn't a fan of that, but I mean that's just how it is. So all right, so right here now I'm gonna splatter the paint on the midsoles. So for me, I know a lot of people use like the toothbrush method, and like the paintbrush method, where they like flick the paint off the paintbrush. And I've tried those and they work, but the best one for me is just getting a pair of gloves, sticking my finger in the paint, and just going to town. That's just much easier for me. I have a little bit more control of where the paint is going. I like kind of like that string splatter look instead of just like splat look. You know what I'm saying? Like the little dots. Like if you want like the dot look, then I would definitely suggest using like a paintbrush or like a toothbrush if you want more of the dot look. But I wanted more like the string look. And I didn't really get to record me putting the lace holes in there. I mean, not the lace holes, y'all know what I'm saying, the outer laces. But yeah, if y'all want that, I got a video for that. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment and subscribe.